Ona thengia ya thirikari gukorwo ikihinyiriria andu ethi kuhimbiria mathomo ma kothi cia moko, ritana riri no riage gukinyanira kumanagia na itua ria thirikari ria kunyihia kigina kiria githukagirwo mathukuru maya. Kuringana na Seneta wa Nyandarua John Methu ni ati ni uracangira arutwo aingi kwaga kuingira thukuru-ini ici makiria aria maumite micii itari na uhoti.
I've looked at the numbers. The kind of support, budgetary support that we give, especially to TVETs, has actually declined. I've seen that the budget of actually the education department, the entire education department, has shrunk with 36 billion from the budget of 2023-2024 to the budget of 2024-2025.
Kila wakati tunapokuwa na ugavi wa basari, tunakumbuka wanafunzi wetu walio katika chuo hiki. Mwaka uliopita wa ugavi wa katika mwaka wa hazina tuliweza kupatia chuo hiki milioni 2.4, na hilo ni jambo ambalo tunajivunia sana kwalo.
Aritie ari thukuru-ini wa kibururi wa kothi cia moko wa Nyandarua kuria ahumbite riri mucemanio wa arutwo a tene na kumoria manyite itemi riao ria guteithiriria mathukuru maya o undu umwe na arutwo aria marathoma. Thukuru-ini ta ici arutwo a tene ni makoragwo na mweke mwega wa guteithiriria arutwo aria marathoma na njira ya kumahe mwihoko na motaro mangimateithiriria muturire-ini marikia mathomo mao.
To share and work with you in the journey of transforming this institution, more specifically having this institution grow to accommodate the capacity that it has. You have actually set a target of having 5,000 students to this particular institution, and I would want to work with you.
We as the Nyandarua National Polytechnic leadership and students body, we have expectations from all of you, and one of them is that we feel you have a role to help the institution in terms of one, mentorship, that is guiding current students through career talks, industrial exposure and professional coaching.
It ranges from active networking, serving as a bridge between students, graduates and the world of employment.
It is always good to give back to the place that you came from, to give back to the place that made you.
Ngiribota Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, njitagwo Peter Mwangi.